London. Yeah, exciting day today. Off to do some drifts. Woo-hoo! Yeah, no, we're off to Santa Pod to do some to do a drift walk your BRUNG day. Running a little bit late as always. But yeah, we should be there in probably about 45 minutes to an hour. So I'll do a little bit of footage when we get down there. As always, make sure you rate, subscribe and share. And look forward to bringing you some footage today. Peace. Bitches, Sam Peeps. Yeah, I'm sorry if it's a bit noisy. I'm off to BRANDSHATCH today to do a bit of drifting. Woo-hoo! Gonna go and see my old mucker Rich Newton, who runs Flat Out Factory. Not going to be doing massive skids today, just a little bit sort of second gear and third gear stuff. Probably better for me so I don't end up crashing. So as you can probably tell, the car's now fixed. We're running a Getrag BMW 320 diesel gearbox 5-speed basically. Sorry I haven't been making too many videos. Well, I've been doing a few quad bike videos, but yeah, I've just been pretty busy with the old car sales. Yeah, main objective today is get some fucking petrol. That's the main objective. Fuck out of here. As you can probably notice, well, my side skirts are in the car. That's just fucking stupid. I spent about half an hour trying to put them on and I failed, so yeah. So yeah, I've now got a Keys Racing steering wheel.
Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run. Keep your foot hard on the pedal, son, never mind them brakes. Let it all hang out, cause we got a run to make. The boys are thirsty in Atlanta, and there's beer in Texarkana, and we'll bring it back no matter what it takes. Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run.
So yeah, might as well do a little promo for me old mucker. So yeah, Flat Out Factory, basically if you want to get a bit of drift experience or you want to have a little go in a skid car and you haven't got a skid car yourself, you can come down to Brands, or they've got an event in Birmingham as well, I think Birmingham Wheels. You pay a small fee, you basically come and get some tuition to learn the basics in drifting. So yeah, if you want to learn how to do some skids, and you don't want to do what I do and crash your own car and spend loads of money, then yeah, check out Flat Out Factory. So yeah, the only real major changes is obviously the gearbox, my lovely looking new shifter. Obviously key racing steering wheel. And some beautiful dry mats. Yum yum yum. Right, let's try a little bit of very slow twinning with my main man Chunk. He's left his arms on the bonnet like a knob. Come on, man. Do it.
You have a cone under your bumper.
Ah, I'll take it out. Well, this seems a bit dangerous. They let me take some people out for some passenger rides. Let's see what happens. Had a really good day of skids. Well, only very slow skids, but I've got to start somewhere. I've actually got another drift day on Monday, but it's up at Birmingham Wheels, so it's a slightly bigger track, so I can actually sort of stretch our legs a little bit more. But yeah, I'll get some decent footage for that. As always, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you rate, subscribe and share, and I'll see you all soon. Peace. Well, wasn't me.
You what, mate?